Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find lost stash rust. First, try to recall the precise location where you buried your stash. Think about any unique landmarks, rocks, or trees nearby that could help you narrow down the search area. Using your in-game map, place a marker in the general vicinity you remember. This will give you a starting point and prevent you from wandering too far off course. Pay close attention to the terrain and any changes since you last visited. If your initial search is unsuccessful, it's time for more advanced techniques. If you have access to a metal detector, equip it and slowly sweep the area. This tool can significantly increase your chances of finding buried items. If not, begin digging in a systematic grid pattern. Start from your remembered spot and expand outwards, covering every square meter. Look for any visual anomalies like slightly raised ground or discolored textures that might indicate a buried stash. To prevent losing your valuable items again, adopt some proactive habits. Always make a note of the exact coordinates or a clear screenshot right after burying your stash. Consider burying your stashes near permanent, easily recognizable structures like large rocks or monuments, not just trees that can be cut down. Also, avoid placing too many stashes in one small area. Spread them out to reduce the risk of losing everything if one spot is compromised. For persistent issues, some players use third-party mapping tools to mark and track their stash locations more precisely. While not always officially supported, they can be very effective. Practice burying empty stashes and then trying to find them later. This will hone your memory and observation skills. Remember, patience is key when searching for lost items. And speaking of reading, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.